In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DocuSign to sign a PDF using electronic signatures. If you've ever had a stack of paperwork that needed your signature, but found yourself looking for a faster, more efficient way, then this tutorial is perfect for you. Throughout the next few minutes, I'll guide you step by step on how to use DocuSign, a leading electronic signature service, to easily sign your PDF documents right from your computer. First things first, you'll need to head over to the DocuSign website. Simply open your preferred web browser and in the address bar type in the URL for DocuSign. This will take you to their homepage. Once you're there, look for the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and it will prompt you to enter your login details. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up for one quickly and easily. After you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the DocuSign homepage. Here, look for a button that says Start. This is the beginning of our process to get your documents signed. Clicking Start will take you to the next step, where you'll be prompted to upload the PDF file that you want to sign. Now click on the Upload option. After selecting this, navigate to where your document is saved on your computer. In this case, you'd likely click on Desktop if that's where your file is stored. Once you've found your desired PDF file, select it for upload. DocuSign will then process the file and prepare it for signing. This part is straightforward but crucial. Make sure that the document you select is indeed the one you wish to sign, as you don't want to accidentally send the incorrect file. With your PDF uploaded, DocuSign will provide you with an intuitive interface to place your signature. You can simply drag and drop your electronic signature onto the document wherever necessary. This feature makes it exceptionally easy to ensure your signature is placed accurately, saving you time and eliminating the need to print, sign, and scan documents manually. Before you finish, take a moment to review your document, make sure everything looks right and that your signature is placed correctly. Once you're satisfied, you can proceed to finalize the document. DocuSign will take care of the rest, allowing you to send your signed PDF to anyone who needs it directly from their platform. And that's it, you've successfully used DocuSign to add your electronic signature to a PDF file. Embracing tools like DocuSign offers a modern, efficient way to conduct business, saving you time and helping to streamline your document management processes. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now feeling more confident in using electronic signatures. Thanks for tuning in, and leave questions in the comments if you have any.